In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to read a file in Python 3. Let's get started. I want to make a trash variable, is what I like to call it. So I'm going to make it F. You could make it X or whatever name. Doesn't matter. It just matters that you call it by that exact name back, and it's something you can remember. So F equals, we're going to assign it. It's this variable. So yeah, F equals, what is going to equal? It's going to be parentheses, it's going to be open parentheses mine underscore survival. This is based off of the write file on my last video. That's somewhere up here. And so what that's going to do, you need to write it before you can read. So if you haven't watched that video already, go watch that. That will help you. Well, you need to watch that video. Or if you already know how to write it, then this will also work. But if you haven't, then go watch that video. So F equals open mine survival. This is not defined. It is defined, but we need quotes around it. Oh, I just did that again. Okay, and then we're gonna do text. We're gonna assign that something. So equals F dot read. And then we're going to want parentheses, and then we're going to do F dot close, boom, and then print T-E-X-T, we're going to need parentheses. This is not Python 2. Python 2, you do not need parentheses. So if we run that, you guys probably, mine survival, .txt, how about now? Boom. So minesurvival.txt, that you need to have it exactly like what this is called. So this is exactly called minesurvival.txt. So now it does nothing, but that's actually good, because if we write something in here like, let's say, boom shakalaka, I think that's how I should, and then we run it, it says boom shakalaka. That's actually what we want. So now I say boom goes the firecracker. We run it, boom goes the firecracker. Now we have it. So yeah. Like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.